Want to fix TikTok no internet connection? This video will show you the simple tricks to get back to endless scrolling. Let's dive in. First things first, no internet connection on TikTok usually means your device is struggling to maintain a stable network link or there's a temporary app glitch. Now, let's start with the basics. Check your internet connection. Ensure your phone has a strong and stable mobile data or Wi-Fi connection. Try toggling airplane mode on and off for a few seconds. Next, restart the TikTok app. Close it completely from your recent apps list, wait a few seconds, then reopen it. Also, restart your phone. This can clear minor software glitches. You'll also want to check for server outages. While less common for no internet errors, TikTok servers might be experiencing issues. Check their official social media or websites like Downdetector for status updates. For Android users, clear the TikTok app's cache and data. Go to Settings greater than Apps, greater than TikTok, greater than Storage, then tap Clear Cache and Clear Data. This removes corrupted temporary files that might interfere. Finally, ensure your TikTok app is fully updated to the latest version. Outdated versions can cause connectivity issues. If you're using a VPN, try disabling it temporarily. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more TikTok tips, and let me know in the comments what you want to see next.